Hi, welcome to Learning Monkey. I am Raghu here. In this class, we will discuss about inheritance. First, we are going to understand the concept of inheritance. Then, we will take a real life example so that you will have a better understanding of when to use and how to use the inheritance concept. Coming to today's class, first we are going to understand the inheritance concept. So, take a class A. In this class, we are having an instance variable k and a method add method. In this method, we are having System.out.println of hello. And now take one more class, class B, extends A. What's the meaning of that? See, the keyword extends is used for inheritance concept. Extends A, the meaning of this means inherit the properties of class A. Class B, inherit the properties of class A. What's the meaning of that inherit the properties of class A means? So what are the members that present in class A? We are having an instance variable k and a method add method. Whatever the members that present in the A, we can inherit these methods and instance variables into class B. That is what inheritance means. We can inherit means we can use the k value and add method in class B. That is what the concept of inheritance. So class B extends A, int j. Here one more instance variable is there, int j. In class B, void use of. In this method, we are using the method called add of. This add of is written above in class A. We can use that methods. Whatever the methods and whatever the instance variables, whatever the members that present in A, we can use them in B. That is what the concept of inheritance. So System.out.println of k. Where is the value of k? It is present in class A. We can use that in B. So now take one more class, class test. Here we have written public static void main of string arguments of. So this we have written the shortcut in order to avoid the space, and here we have created an object for B. ob is equal to new B of. Once you created the object for B, and if you call the method ob.use of, you can call any of the methods that present in B or the methods that present in A. The instance variables that present in B or the instance variables present in A. You can call any of them using ob, because you have created an object for B. B is taking extends A. So you can use both. ob.use of, it is going to execute this. ob.add of, it is going to execute this method. So what's the output? ob.use of means it is going to again call add. So hello will be displayed. After that k value will be displayed. K is the default 0 value. Again we are calling add of. So again it is going to execute add of method. Hello will be displayed. Hello 0 hello. That is what the output is. Now in which situations we are going to use this inheritance concept? How it is helpful in real life examples? 90% of the times we are going to use the concept of inheritance. Let's try to understand one situation. Let's take the tax system in India. Suppose if you want to pay tax, how the tax system will be? Let's first understand the tax system so that this helps in understanding our example. Suppose if your salary is 10,000 per month. Yearly your salary is 10,000 multiplied by 12, that is equal to 120,000. So in India, below 70,000, if your annual income is below 70,000, there is no tax. Assume that there is no tax. Above 70,000, you have to pay tax. How you need to pay tax? You need to understand. Your total salary is 120,000 minus take out 70,000 from that. You are going to get 50,000. For 50,000 you need to pay tax. That is how it will be calculated. And one more thing, and tax will be paid in different ways. If your yearly income is 70,000 to 150,000, you need to pay 10% tax. For 50,000 you need to pay 10% because your yearly income is between 70,000 and 150,000. If your yearly income is 150,000 to 300,000, you need to pay 20,000. Above 300,000, you need to pay 30% tax. So this is how we need to identify the tax, how much tax amount you need to pay. So this tax system is applicable to any of the organization. If you are opening a school, in your organization you have to pay taxes according to this system. If you are opening a supermarket, for your employees you need to pay tax system according to the above system. So any organization should use the same logic. That's why how we are going to use that, how inheritance comes here. Class tax. In this class we are writing a method, tax deduction. Whatever it is going to take the input salary, double salary, input as salary, monthly salary, it is going to identify the amount that you need to pay, tax amount you need to pay. Tax to be paid is the amount it is going to display. Whatever the above logic we discussed, that is the logic we placed here. We are not concentrating on the logic part. You check the logic and everything, because our example, with this you need to understand the concept of inheritance, not the logic. So we have written a class called tax. In this we are having a method called tax deduction. Now suppose if you are opening a school, identifying total amount of the tax you need to pay for all the employees. This is one logic that you needed in your school. Not only one logic, finding total taxes. This is one logic you need to apply in your school. Finding other allowances. This is another logic you need to apply in your school. Finding students' fee. This is another logic you need to apply in your school. So different logics, but finding the tax is same for any organization. That's why class school extends tax, so that we can use the methods that present here, tax deduction. We can directly use it here. We can use it and find the total tax that we should pay for all the employees in our school. We did not write the logic here, just you try to understand. We can directly use tax deduction. This method written above in tax class. Suppose if you are opening a college, you take another class college extends tax. If you are opening a supermarket, class supermarket extends tax, because any of them is going to use the same logic. So that is what the use of a inheritance concept. If inheritance concept is not there, how we need to write? We have to write tax deduction, this logic again here. Class college, again in this class college you have to write the logic again. Class supermarket, in this you have to write this logic again. That's the use of inheritance concept. Not only that, for suppose Government of India has changed the tax system from, suppose if your salary is above 70,000 and less than 150,000, you need to pay 10% tax. Government changed it from 10% to 12%. What's the modifications you have to do? Only here, instead of 0.1, 0.12, you place it, that is 12%. This is applicable to any of the classes that are using the method. No need to change. Only change in the above method, that's applicable here, because they are going to call this method. If you change it here, that's it. So this is how we are going to use the inheritance concept in real life. 99% of the times we need the concept of inheritance. We are going to use multiple classes which are already available in the market. Hope you understand the concept of inheritance. If you have any questions regarding the concept, please post your questions in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for the latest updates. Thank you.